Hey, I'm Alan and welcome to Alanvale. I thought we might have a little quick talk on when you're building, where do you store everything? You have to have some sort of a lock-up facility. For me, it was the machine shed, and I planned that in advance before I built my house. But you need to have other things as well. So what else did I have? Yes, well, I had the crib hut. That was great for storing things. When I first built my shed, I didn't have anything. So all the deliveries came here and they were dumped on the ground. Fortunately, in those days they were all metal. It didn't really matter. But when you build a house, you have to have a lot more important stuff and you don't want it stolen. I locked all the nuts and bolts and things in the little shed. All the bulk materials went into the garage or the machine shed. But when I got to the final stages and I had the finishing up kit, I didn't have anything really secure. You can open up a shed easy with a cordless screwdriver and some tech screw attachments. So I went and got this sea container. Now this is for things like ovens and hot plates and tiles and all that sort of stuff. It's really useful now for anything that I want to do that's dirty, like the cutting and docking. That it saves me having to sweep sawdust up in the machine shed. So that's a handy little thing, and I'll probably keep it here. You need to think about when you're building what sort of lock-up facilities you've got. Well, there's the kit home all done. Very nice little setup. And I mentioned earlier about the leach drain and raising it up. I need to get in there with the cultivator and get that ready and put some seedlings in when spring comes, which is about 2 months away. I think I'm going to try for pumpkins this year. When you're over a leach drain, you can't have anything permanent like orchards or anything like that. And there's a vehicle coming up the road. As you can see, the noise isn't bothering me at all. The sound of the birds is more important. So when you're thinking of storage, you have to put that in advance of what you're going to do with your building.